Hi, I'm Kim. I'm here with you today at Blondie Salon and Spa. I'm going to show you how to make Lauren Conrad's famous chignon. The first thing that you want to do is use a little bit of a very light gloss wax to prepare your hair. You can do this chignon on smooth hair or on textured. I think either way it gives a real nice look, but today we're using Dara's natural texture because it's going to be terrific for a beach wedding look. The first thing that you'll do after you've got your gloss wax worked through is make a low ponytail on whichever side that you want to see the focal point of the chignon. Very simple. From here, you're going to go ahead and braid these into a few different braids on the head. I'm going to actually try to make 3 separate braids out of this one ponytail. Whatever type of braids that you like to use are appropriate here. I just do a traditional 3-strand. I put it in very loose. You also could do a fishtail braid here. Whichever is your favorite. So again, you're just taking braids, simple 3 strands, any type that you'd like. You can see I'm not tightly weaving. When you get down to the bottom, you don't want to rubber band up these ends. You actually combine these pieces back in together. And what you'll do is a technique that's called ruching. It's actually from sewing. It's a sewing technique. Is you find a center hair in this bunch, just a small one, and you're going to push the braid right up that center hair. When you get to the bottom, combining the hair, taking out a small interior piece, and then I'm just going to push right up against that, all the way back up her hair. And that creates the ruche. You'll continue through your ponytail, taking your braids and ruching them as you go. When you're ruching your braids, you can make them thinner or fatter. It just gives a different look to the hair. If you want more detail, you should take thin, fine braids. And if you just want to have a little bit of a larger piece to make a statement, make one big fat one. And that is how Lauren Conrad has her beautiful chignon.